this guy.
He is fun to watch.
26th career receiving touchdown, second most in the history of Alabama football. And
Slot, and he's just got a knack for getting open, catches everything. I don't anticipate we're going to see a really fast. Well, never mind.
Yeah.
Hey now.
Allow myself to interrupt myself.
And Ayuk, but teams are trying to find that guy where you can get mismatches. Sometimes it's going to be in the slot. If you want to, you can line him up in the backfield. And you saw what Deebo Samuel did in the postseason, Rich, the impact he had, especially in the Super Bowl. He's over 6'4". Like that's.
I know. But Deebo is a business decision, man.
Yeah, no
4-4-3. He created a lot of business decisions in a hospital bed, right?
Never seen that one before. That was new last year.
Antonio Gibson, Memphis.
I have
or flat.
I have him as a running back too. He's played both.
Oh, Longhorn to be fair and balanced. So I guess you got an Aggie, you got a Longhorn.
This dude is a track star.
Devin Duvernay, Kyler Murray's cousin, 4-4 flat. What about Maxie playing in the state of Ohio, right?
There you go.
Denzel Mims, 4.39.
Yeah, look how easy he stride that out. Oh yeah.
That is the fastest time we've timed tonight. Right there. There's Watkins.
Striding it out.
Nice.
Whoa,
4.36.
hey now.
All right. That's a 4.28.
That was easy. He made that look easy.